it all started because of my name. People were not happy that my name is Chidima and I am representing South Africa. So that is where it actually really started. And people felt like, well, South Africans felt like I wasn't South African enough because of my name. And it was really sad to see. It was a very horrible experience, and I wouldn't wish it on anybody, because I have lived there for 23 years. And it's heartbreaking to see that I wasn't welcomed and accepted.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you are welcome here.
But you're welcome here, and you're the queen.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I just didn't want to talk about it, but it's heartbreaking. It's really heartbreaking, and there were certain things that happened behind the scene that actually made me withdraw, and it was so heartbreaking to see that I had to withdraw close to the finale, and but a decision had to be made, and it really hit social media as well.
Yeah.
And there was some statements that came out from Home Affairs with regards to my mom's ID as well, and that is still a legal matter, so I'm not going to comment on that. But what I do know is that I was born in South Africa, and I am a South African, and I'm still proudly Nigerian as well. And I was really excited to get an invitation from Silverbird to represent Nigeria in Miss Universe Nigeria, to see that they saw that potential, and the love that I've received, it has been exceptional, not only from the group, from the organization, from the girls, but from Nigeria as well, and all over the world.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we are looking at the story of Chidima Adetshina. So Chidima Adetshina is a former Miss South African finalist and Miss Universe Nigeria for 2024. She was a winner for Miss Universe Nigeria in 2024 after she was dismissed from Miss South Africa as a finalist because it was discovered that she is not fully South African, so she cannot participate as Miss South Africa. So Chidima Adetshina is now taking South African government to court because she wants to stay in South Africa. Can you guys imagine that? Can you guys imagine fighting for citizenship knowing very well that you are not South African, She is now claiming that she is South African. So Chidima Adetshina is attending court cases now. She is fighting the South African government. So she was back in court on Monday as she is fighting the Department of Home Affairs to bid to deport her from South Africa. Now, the case started as a dispute over her citizenship and eligibility to enter Miss South Africa, but it has now become a big legal battle involving immigration law. So Chidima Adetshina was arrested last month, guys, after Home Affairs alleged that she entered through the Libombo border post with Mozambique. Her lawyers argue that the Home Affairs should have properly considered alternatives to detention before seeking to have her detained for deportation. So Chidima Adetshina was arrested last month. She was found in Cape Town. This is after she said on national TV that she will never ever set foot in South Africa as she was entering the Miss Universe Nigeria. She said she was never ever setting foot in South Africa. But now she is back. She came back.
Chidima, you don't need that South Africa. Don't fight for that thing too much. Just there's other many places that would have you. That Botswana is beautiful too. That Mozambique. That Nigeria is already beautiful also. Plus, buy an apartment in Paris also if you need to. Just be moving around. Anyway, in 2026, we don't just sit in one place indefinitely like these South Africans who refuse to travel. You should be moving around. You should be moving around. If one country says you're not allowed, F you, man. You move.
I really don't know, guys. Do you guys think she has a right to be staying in South Africa, because now she is fighting to stay legally in South Africa, you know. After winning a crown in Nigeria, you are coming back to South Africa. So clearly, Ugel, she really loves South Africa. Like, it clearly shows, you know. And now the Nigerians are so fuming. They are so mad. They want their crown back because now they feel like she's ungrateful. She won the crown as Miss Universe Nigeria, and also said that she won't be coming back to South Africa anymore. And then she came back. So they are just so fuming. They want the crown back. It's a lot. Kuningi sana. I feel for her, you know, and it's worse because now she has a son. So nje kuningi shem for girl, guys. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know, what do you think of Chidima Adetshina's situation, guys? Do you think the government should just give her the citizenship and she can just stay in South Africa, or she needs to go back where she won Miss Universe Nigeria? She needs to go back there, because she also said on public national television, there's also videos of her saying that she will never ever set foot in South Africa ever again. So I really don't know, guys. The nerve sana to fight to stay in a country that you don't belong to fight to stay legally. She has the nerve, Shem, and I really I have to applaud her on that, because sana, I would never. Like, I would never. Awusabi yini Chidima Adetshina, awusabi yini. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching.